Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to get the Coinbase wallet and set it up. Actually fairly fast too. Okay, so what you're going to do is google.com. So you can follow along with me, or you can just use the links in the description to go to the website. The URL is coinbase.com/wallet. So I'll just type that in here, even though I could have just typed that in the browser. Okay. Anyway, then you hit download Coinbase wallet. So even though I'm using Microsoft Edge, I can add extensions from the Chrome Web Store to the Microsoft Edge. Just hit add to Chrome. It'll work. Even if you're using Brave and whatever, it works just fine. Now you just wait a second and we should get a pop-up. There we go. Okay, I'm going to close this. So if you already have a wallet, like your secret recovery phrase, then you just click here, enter recovery phrase, and then you enter in your phrase. Or you can connect a hardware wallet, such as the Ledger or the Trezor, or you can link your Coinbase Wallet app, which is an app that you can get on the phone, which I'll be doing a tutorial for very soon. But I don't have one, so I'll just create a new wallet. Username. These are completely unique, and I don't think you can change it. So choose carefully. This is just for the tutorial, so I'll just choose test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 7, whatever that is. Back up your wallet. Go ahead, look at this. Never share this to anyone else. So over here, I'm going to just create a new text document and save that there. Okay, continue. And now to check that you saved it, you need to enter your first and your last. So my first was drastic, and then my last was sunny. There we go. And then enter your password. I'll just make this password 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Password dot 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. That's a good password. Okay. And then you hit I agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy, and you press submit. Then your wallet is completely ready. That's all you have to do. So just open it from here, clicking your thing, don't know, puzzle piece, and hit Coinbase Wallet extension, and then it'll open up. And that's it. That's all you have to do to get your wallet set up. Now, I will have another tutorial on like how to add networks and change stuff. But for now, that'll be all. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Like this video, like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Yeah, bye.